Welcome back to this channel. My name is Daniel, and if today is the first time you're coming across our channel, please do well to subscribe so you will continue to get our videos or get notification each time we drop a video. All right, thank you for doing that. Yeah, in today's video of course is actually going to be like a follow-up of our previous video. In our previous video we talked about resistors, and we gave you like 3 types of resistors where we made mention of fixed resistors, variable resistors, and then specialized resistors. So in today's video we are actually going to utilize fixed resistors and variable resistors in implementing dark sensor circuits. Yeah, if you have been careful enough and if you have been very observant, you probably would have noticed 2 good things about the modern day modern day solar street lights. Yeah, in modern day solar street lights there are 2 basic things and 2 most noticeable behaviors that if you are careful enough you probably would have noticed it. Number 1 is that whenever you walk past them at a very close range, they seem to be brighter. They will just automatically on their own start shining brighter. Now the second thing is that without human interference at night they come up on their own. Then in the night, in the morning, they go off automatically without somebody going to switch them off, and during the day they don't come up at all. So these are the 2 basic things that I expect that anybody who is careful enough ought to have observed about the modern day solar street lights. Now that first behavior of theirs, which enables them to kind of start shining brighter each time you walk at a very close range or at proximity, is a simple application of motion sensors, something like a passive infrared or normal infrared sensor, depending on what the designer wants to achieve and what is available in the local market. So I wouldn't want to go into that, but possibly on Friday we are going to be talking much about passive infrared as motion sensors. In today's video we are going to focus on that second behavior of solar street lights, which enables them to come up on their own at night, and in the morning they go off automatically without human interference. And we at Scientific Africa, we are set to letting you know that that is not witchcraft, that is not sorcery, and that is not Uyibo magic as we normally used to say. It is just a very simple application of physics and a very simple application of what we have been shouting and teaching about. We've been talking about basic components in this channel. We've been talking about capacitors, resistors, transistors, and all of them. Right, so that is just a very simple application of light dependent resistor, just like we made mention of in our previous video. So careful combination of variable resistor, light dependent resistor, and possibly fixed resistor to kind of bias our transistor will actually help us achieve that, and that is what we are going to see in this video. So I encourage you not to skip this video, watch till the end, and you will be sure, I am assuring you that at the end of this video you will not only understand what is happening, the technology behind that street light coming on at night and going off in the morning. You are equally going to be able to implement something similar to that and something that works exactly like that, and you will be able to kind of think wider, be able to make use of it in controlling even security light at home, just like where I'm currently staying. In the morning, if somebody doesn't climb up from upstairs to go down to go and turn off the switch to our security lights, it will continue to be on, and we are kind of using token. So whenever you allow your light to be on like that, you know what it means financially. The implication is going to tell on your pocket. So we always wake up early in the morning to rush to go and off it. Then at night somebody will have to go and turn it on. And that is just like a cake to me. At the end of this video you're going to learn, if you're having this kind of challenge at home, at the end of this video you're going to learn how to make a very simple circuit to control your street light or to control your security light at home, so that in the morning it will just go off on its own. Then at night it will come, it will just on its own. So that's what we are going to be looking at, so stay tuned. After this intro, we are going to go into the real practical, where I am going to be encouraging you to just follow the circuit that we have prepared for this, and if you implement it directly, trust me, it's going to work as we have said. We've tested it and it is working, and it is going to work for you, except you don't want to practice. So thank you and stay tuned. Let's go down there. All right, here we go. This is the circuit that we want to implement. Just look at it closely. This is what we're going to implement. Now in doing that, we have here 9-volt battery. We have 9-volt battery cap. Then we have the variable resistor. This is 250k variable resistor. Now we have the variable resistor turner. So we just put it like this so you will not be touching it. Look at it, looks more fancy right now. Now we have our transistor here for switching. Don't ask too much question about transistors. Trust me, we are going to make another video where we're going to be talking about transistors. We are still in resistors, but we can't do without this today. We want to use it as a switch, but there will be a dedicated video explaining what transistors are and what they can be used for and how they can be used. All right, we have fixed resistor. Now this is a 330 ohms fixed resistor that we'll be using to bias this transistor. Now the jagaban of them all is actually the light dependent resistor. Then we have our Vero, we have our breadboard for practicing. So let's go. This is the light dependent resistor. This is the variable resistor. What this variable resistor is doing here is we can actually use it to set the sensitivity of this. That is to control when it comes on. But we are going to use this nylon now to simulate darkness. So the moment we cover that light dependent resistor, that LED will come on automatically. Let's watch. Can you see it? So if you remove it in the morning, if you remove it, that darkness will go away. Once sunlight comes up, the darkness will go away. It will happen this way. And your street light will go off. Your security light will go off. Whatever you are controlling with this will automatically go off in the morning. Can it be used to do this? Can it be used to do that? Drop that on the comment section. Drop it on the comment section. Whatever you think about this video, drop it on the comment section and we'll be able to kind of guide you right. Close it again, introduce darkness, the light will come on. Remove it, it will go off. Having carefully watched from the beginning to the end of this video, I am 100% convinced that not only that you are now aware of what is happening on the solar street lights that enables them to come up on their own at night and go off in the morning, I equally believe that you are better than 50% of black people in all over the world. But it's not going to end there. I encourage you and I plead with you to a kind of get these components. There are not too many. There are just very few components that we use in this circuit, in building up of this little circuit. Can you please go to your local market, source for these components, and try implementing this on your own? If you're having any kind of difficulty, please get back to us on the comment section. Ask your question. We are going to attend to you. If you are the type that you don't even know where to go and get this component, but you really want to practice, kindly send us a DM. Let us know. We will help you. We, as a matter of fact, what we do also in Scientific Africa is making sure that we make these components available for researchers, for people who would want to, for thinkers, who would want to kind of, try their hands on so many things. So not only that we have quality components in our stores, we equally have them very, very affordable. and we have them the quality types that would not explode or blow in the course of anything. I'm not saying that anything is going to explode, so I don't want to put fear in you, but there's going to be a very huge prize for any person who at the end of this video is going to try to implement this and possibly post the video on the comment section of what you have done, whether it is working or not working. Just post the video. We are going to reach out to you and we're going to kind of give you a very wonderful award that will wow you. Trust me, the goal is not just to let you know, we equally want you to do it yourself until it becomes part of you. This thing is something that's supposed to be like culture. It's supposed to be something that you freely walk around with. Anything that comes around, you think about how to fix the problem. So that is just basically what we are doing in this channel. And if after watching us closely like this and you did not practice, it will not give us that total assurance that we are actually making impact. So please do well to try your hands on this kind of simple circuit, implement it yourself, upload the video, and we are possibly going to reach out to you. Thank you for watching. Please do well to come back to this channel on Wednesday, because we are actually going to integrate, like today's video, it's just more like a prototype of this idea, just something you implement at home to show that it's working. The real life application is not yet what we can do with this thing that we have done today, but on Wednesday we are going to put up a follow-up video showing you how to integrate this to your house wiring system so that you will be able to in real life use it to control whatever you want to control in your environment or at home or in your neighborhood or whatsoever. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. On Wednesday, catch us back again here. Bye. One love.